honey, onto this unit. I am super excited because this texture was so flawless and perfect. And honestly, Yaki textures are really starting to grow on me because they just look so natural, and it looks like our African American hair when it's blown out. But I'm more so excited about trying UNice's Bye Bye Knots wig, which means this lace is already pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, and it's also pre-plucked. So you don't have to do anything to this unit to maintain this lace. On top of that, it's also a 7x5 lace closure. So you know us girls love to have versatility, so they hit it right on the nose with getting this right. Like, they joined the party. Let's go. So now let's get to installing this unit. My favorite part, of course, I'm gonna go ahead with my bronzer and add that to my HD cap that they provided, and also I'm gonna add that to my lace. So this Yaki straight wig was 150% density. I fear if it was any thicker, it would just be way too much for me because the hair is already pretty thick. So if you plan on getting this wig, I don't even know if they have anything thicker than this density, but I recommend you going with 150. So this lace was actually so thin that it wasn't quite melting into my forehead how I needed it to. I'm still gonna make sure this is a 100% glueless unit, but I did use that hairspray to make sure it looks nice and seamless and it's not looking like I just have a wig sitting on top of my head, because you could clearly see the lace in that case. And we just don't want that. You want your wig to look realistic, not like you have a white cast on the top of your head. That is not cute. But you can definitely leave your hair like this, and you can't tell me this don't look like some curly coarse hair that's been blow dried and flat ironed on a very low heat setting. It looks good, girl, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a little hotter heat and we're gonna get this nice and silky. But I just wanted to let you guys know about this little attachment that y'all see on my flat iron. I'm not sure if y'all are familiar, but when you want some bone straight silky hair, we use the chase method. So that's when you have a comb and then you chase the comb with your flat iron to get it nice and silky and flowy. But this was sent to me by this company. I can't even read the name on the flat iron, but I will have it down below in the description box. It has the comb already on the little attachment, so you just put it onto your flat iron. It's like a sticky part that sticks onto your flat iron, and you have the chase method already installed onto your flat iron. And this was so genius because a lot of people do not like holding a comb and then going in with their flat iron and using both hands and all of that. So this was perfect. I put it to the test on this unit and it came out so gorgeous. I can't wait for y'all to see the final results. So this isn't sponsored or anything, but if you're interested in that little attachment, make sure you check out the description box below. Alright, so this is how one side of my head looks with the Babyless flat iron. And do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Hold on. Wait, hold on. Okay. I was just making sure because what? Like, this looks amazing. Look at the other side compared to this side. Both sides look great, but that other side was just giving what it needed to give. And honestly, that just had me too excited and anxious to be done with the other side. And as you can see, I did go ahead and use my lace band to make sure it looks nice and flawless when I finished flat ironing my entire head. So once I finish that, I'm not going to cut any layers in this hair or anything. You guys are going to see basically how it already came, other than me trimming the ends and making it nice and blunt and healthy looking. But other than that, I'm just going to finish this up and then we're going to go into the final results. So once I remove my lace band, as you guys can see, the lace looks so good. That Kenra hairspray does wonders, even for flyaways and even melting the lace. You really could use any hairspray, but this is what I decided to use for my previous installs and just recently on my hair, and I thoroughly enjoy it. But yeah, I just added some finishing touches to it, and this is what I ended up with. As you guys can see, this is still 100% glueless. I can still remove this unit and preserve it at night and just switch up my styles as I desire to. But can we just get into the finale of what we just did? On top of that, this unit took no more than 30 minutes to style from beginning to end. Super low maintenance and beginner friendly. Y'all know that is what we strive to do on this channel. I am not about to be with all the rah-rah trying to do styles, especially when we have these ready to wear, pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached units. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check the description box below.